There's that old ceiling fan. It's a SMC. Yeah. There's another one upstairs, but this one was taken out, so I'm gonna show you which one was taken out, and the blades were there. I wanna see, can I even save it or not? Oh no. It's right upstairs. This is where it used to go. But the other one is right here. I already did the video about that. There's the fan. The blades. I want to see, can I even save that ceiling fan? But I can't, and that means I can own it. Oh no. I just do not know how to save it yet. So yeah, that's the end of the video. So bye.